Your teacher today is Dr. Bosa, Science. Dr. Bosa is a teacher at the Science Foundation College, the best school that teaches sciences. Today, 20th January 2021, we are going to study curved mirrors in geometrical optics. Our website, digitalteachers.co.ug. Here find notes, exams and their marking guides in physics, chemistry, biology, math and primary subjects. Or go to YouTube website, in search, type in Digital Teachers Uganda. You will be given related videos in physics, chemistry, biology, math and primary subjects. Please subscribe to promote my videos. Subscription is free. The best secondary school in Uganda is the Science Foundation College. The best primary school in Uganda is Rock of Ages Primary School, Chiwanga, Mukono District. Curved mirrors are of two types. One, concave or converging mirror. It is part of the sphere whose center C is in front of its reflecting surface. Concave mirrors reflect a parallel beam to a single spot called principal focus F. So the parallel beams are reflected to a single point called principal focus. 2. Convex or diverging mirror. It is part of the sphere whose center C is behind its reflecting surface. Convex mirrors reflect a parallel beam as if the reflected rays are coming from a common spot called principal focus F behind the mirror. Terminologies. Consider the reflection of a parallel narrow beam of light at curved mirrors shown below. Number 1, center of curvature C is the center of the sphere of which the mirror forms part. 2. Radius of curvature R is the radius of the sphere of which the mirror forms part. 3. Pole of the mirror P is the midpoint or center of the mirror surface. 4. Principal axis CP is the line that passes through the center of curvature C and the pole P of the mirror. 5. Secondary axis are lines that are parallel to the principal axis of the mirror. Number 6. Parallax rays are rays drawn close and parallel to principal axis. Number 7. Magnum rays are parallel rays furthest to the principal axis. 8. Roman 1. Principal focus F of a concave mirror is a point on principal axis where parallel incident rays close to the principal axis converge after reflection by the mirror. 2. Principal focus F of a convex mirror is a point on the principal axis where parallel incident rays close to principal axis appear to diverge from after reflection by the mirror. Number 9. focal length F is the distance between the pole of the mirror and the principal focus F. Number 10, aperture of the mirror is the length of the mirror surface. Reflection of a parallel wide beam of light at curved mirrors. The reflection of a wide beam of light on a concave mirror is shown below. When a wide parallel beam of light is incident on a concave mirror, the different reflected rays are converged at different points. The reflected rays appear to touch a surface known as a acoustic surface, having a cusp or an apex at the principal focus F. Note that the marginal rays farthest from the principal axis are converged nearer to the pole of the mirror than paraxial rays close to the principal axis. Hyperbolic mirrors are used in torches and car headlights because when a bulb is placed at the principal focus, a strong parallel beam of light is obtained. Example 1. Explain why parabolic surface is preferred to concave surface in car headlights. Solution. Parabolic mirrors reflect a strong beam of light when a bulb is placed at their principal focus, while concave surfaces reflect weak beams when a bulb is placed at their principal focus. Geometrical rules for construction of ray diagrams. The following is a set of rules for locating images formed by spherical mirrors. 1. Rays parallel to principal axis are reflected through the principal focus. 2. Rays through the principal focus are reflected parallel to principal axis. 3. Rays passing through the center of curvature are reflected back along the same path. 4. Rays incident to the pole are reflected back, making the same angle with the principal axis. For these rays, the principal axis is the normal. Note that 1. The normal, due to reflection at the mirror surface at any point, must pass through the center of curvature. 2. The image position is located at the point of intersection of reflected rays from an object. Real and virtual images. A real image is formed by intersection of light rays from an object and can be formed on a screen. A virtual image is formed by a apparent intersection of light rays from an object and cannot be formed on a screen. Not apparent. Images formed by a concave mirror depends on the position of the object. 1. Object between F and P. The image is formed behind the mirror. It is virtual, erect, and magnified, bigger than the object. B. Object at F. The image is beyond the C. It is real, inverted, and magnified. C. Object between F and C. The image is beyond the C, real, inverted, and magnified. D. Object at C. The image is at C. It is real, inverted, same size as the object. E. Object beyond C. The image is between F and C, real, inverted, and diminished. F. Object at infinity. The image is at F. It is real, inverted, and diminished. Uses of concave mirrors. They are used as shaving mirrors, dentist examination mirrors, as solar concentrators, in solar panels, in reflecting telescopes, and projectors. Images formed by convex mirrors. They are erect, virtual, and diminished. Uses of convex mirrors. They are used as driving mirrors and in reflecting telescopes to view distant objects. The next lesson is geometrical optics, curved mirror, lesson 2 of 2. Don't miss it. Thank you so much for listening to this video. Our website is digitalteachers.co.ug. Here find the notes, exams, and their marking guides in physics, chemistry, biology, math, and primary subjects. Or go to YouTube channel, in search type in Digital Teachers Uganda. You will be given categories of related videos in physics, chemistry, biology, math, and primary subjects. Please subscribe to promote my videos. Subscription is free. The best secondary school in Uganda is the Science Foundation College. The best primary school in Uganda is Rock of Ages Primary School, Chiwanga, Mukono District.